Hello my crafter friends, welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. This is Shivani here. Today I am going to show you how to make this very easy and very attractive pen stand using 10 mm paper quilling strips. This is super easy and super colorful. You can give to anyone, to your friend, to your father, your brother. So it's very beautiful handmade pattern. So what are you waiting for? Let's start with procedure. For this we need blue, green, yellow and red 10 mm quilling strips, liquid glue, scissor, any wooden stick. This time I am not using quilling tool. Any color craft paper and piece of cardboard. First I am starting with making coils. So just wrap the strip around the stick. Here I am using stick because I need a large hole in the center of the tight coil. These holes will create the pattern. So first connect with glue like this. Just make a crease in the corner and start folding the strip around the stick. Make some rounds. Take out the strip from the stick and now start rolling this tight coil till the end of the strip. Secure the end using glue. So the tight coil is ready. In the same way we need total 64 blue color tight coils for one side panel. Now I will show you how to connect these tight coils. So we need to add one tight coil in standing and one in sleeping. So we will do it alternatively, one in sleeping, one in standing. So just continue this till you connect total 8 coils with each other. So it's done. We have added 8 coils. Now for the next row I will do just opposite. So on the top of standing coil I will attach sleeping coil. And on the top of sleeping coil I will connect standing coil. Like this. So it's done. It will look like this. Now in the same way I will connect 6 more rows with the same procedure alternatively. So after adding total 8 rows, the blue panel is ready. In the same way I have created one green color panel, one red color panel and one yellow color panel. For each panel we will be needed total 64 coils for each color. Now I am taking this piece of cardboard which measures 10 by 10 centimeter and I am taking one orange color craft paper little bit larger than this piece of cardboard. So I will wrap this cardboard using the paper. So connect glue, cut the edges and wrap with the paper. So this is done. Now I will connect one more craft paper on top of this This is the same size as cardboard. I am using peach color craft paper. So connect with glue, cut excess paper if any. So base is ready. Now I will connect all the panels on top of this to construct the pen stand shape. So first I am adding yellow panel, add glue in the bottom and connect to the base. Now add glue on side and also on the base. Now I will connect red color panel, hold it for some time. Now I will add blue color panel and after that I will add green color panel. So the beautiful and very easy pen stand is ready. Let it dry for some time. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.